Hello, welcome back. Okay, in this video we're going to go into a wrap to an outside underarm spin for the follower, okay? So we're going to take it from two different angles and we're going to give you two different variations, all right? So watch this. So we're going to start off with two-hand hold with my side to you here, kind of like this side here facing this way. And triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step. Yes? All right, let's take it from this angle, same pattern, and triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step. So again, take it into a wrap to an outside underarm spin. Now this version, from this angle, I'm actually going to do a little bit of a Spider-Man kind of thing, or Tarzan, okay? So I'm going to have one hand and then we'll go to the other hand. Ready? And triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step. Do you see that? So let's do that again. Ready? And triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step. And again, you're going to end up with an upside down hand. So what do? There's a pattern for that. Told you about that one. It's in your private lesson style videos, or go to an earlier quick view and you'll see how to get out of that, okay? So stop this video, go back, watch it again, practice. Yes, breathe and smile. Have fun with this and then come on back for the next pattern.